Guys, today I'm gonna make beef larb. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? Here I'm gonna chop lemongrass, kalanga herb. You know, the key is have to prep for everything so easy, okay? So I'm gonna chop kalanga. You know, kalanga is very hard to chop. That's why there's root. Like this is the roots, you know. To show you how to do this. Okay. Alright, that's enough. There's a lot right here. Okay, I'm gonna chop small. This is Lao called car. It's very hard because this is the herb. It's a so good for you, good for everything when we make lab. I cannot miss this because that's the main one. The herb, I need that. It's not very hard to do, but you don't have to put a lot. Just a little bit is okay, but I love it. I put a lot. Okay, this is the lemongrass. I already chopped. It's already chopped. Everything crab. See the lemongrass right there. So, and onion too. Red onion I already cut, chopped already. Okay, this is Sorrento. I'm gonna go ahead and prep. It's very easy. When you wanna cook food, you have to prep first. When you prep, everything becomes easy, you know. It's just like enjoy your cooking and to eat good, quality and healthy. The same time is done. This is hot pepper. I plant on my own organic, so I'm gonna put. I love spicy, so I put a lot of hot pepper right here. Okay, I'm gonna slide hot pepper. I love hot pepper. You know, hot pepper is a vitamin C. If you love hot pepper, go ahead eat it. And they have a lot of fiber too, not just vitamin C. It's good for everything. You know, eat hot pepper. I heard to stay young. So, hot pepper. And I love red and green. Good young hot pepper, the green one, and we got orange color. Medium plant, medium red is over all. Okay, so the hot pepper right there. Okay, hot pepper when chopped, slice, and this is a lot of hot pepper. I love it. Okay, so prepare stuff like that. That's very important. This is right here. This is by Makut, key lam leaf. I plant on my own, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is a good herb. I'm gonna chop, put in the lab. Okay. Right, I'm gonna chop very thin chop like that. See that? Very thin. Key lam leaf all have been chopped. See that? If you don't have that, you don't have to put. But I have because I plant it in the house. It benefits all my plant, my leaf, you know, my herb. So you don't have that, you don't have to put. Okay, so I chop already done. Okay, this is last ingredient, gonna be lamb. I love sour, so I'm gonna go ahead cut lamb. Okay, like that. Just prepare. Just like that. You know, put a lot of lamb, dressing. See the lamb has been cut, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the beef. This time I'm gonna steam, like cook hot water, cook beef, medium cooking. So just boil the water first. There we go. Alright, let the water boiling. Okay guys, I have to show you, that's the key when you want to cook anything. You're gonna prep whatever your ingredient for. This is cilantro. This is a key lam leaf I just chopped. This is lemongrass I just chopped. This is kalanga I just chopped. This is hot pepper, Lao hot pepper I just finished chopped. And this is lamb, guys. This is lamb. This is everything. It's good herb and healthy. And red onion, good for you. So that's the key. You gotta prep first. That's what I do. Remember that, okay? Cooking is very easy. It's not hard. It's so easy. Cook at home, eat at home, and healthy. And the beef already cut, sliced already thin. So I'm gonna go ahead cook medium cook. Because I love medium rare. And this is ingredient ready, waiting for. Put them together. Okay, this is ingredient very important to make this taste. This is the called fish sauce. This is Lao Padek. Okay, fish sauce from Laos. This is 3 crab fish sauce Vietnam. This is Viet Hong. So everywhere they have this one 3 crab fish sauce. And one important thing, the ground fried rice, you have to roast the rice like dark brown, and then you ground them and put in the refrigerator or freezer. They stay long time. The flavor never go away. So the last ingredient is this sugar. You know, when you cook anything, you got balance. You gotta put sugar a little bit to balance out the taste. I show you how to do it. Okay, very easy. It's not hard at all. Yeah, my butter boiling right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, throw my meat down here. Here you go. Go ahead, cook them. Medium cook. You can do like this, or you can put on the grill. But I make a shortcut, so it's just everything work for me. So let's cook for a second, couple minutes of it. They start cooking a little bit now. I'm gonna cook some more. Looking good right now. About 2-3 minutes. That's it. I don't want to cook too long because I want the medium rare. So it's easy. Just put hot water and boil it. Put the beef in here. So easy, guys. I'm gonna show you how to cook. Finish no time and sit down, eat, have a good food, enjoy family. This is can eat at 4-5 people, but this is only 2. If I don't finish it, I eat tomorrow. Yep, right here, almost there. See that? Almost there. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to turn off. Yep, I want medium rare like that. This is medium rare, guy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead drain out. Okay, when you see, I'm gonna drain out right there here. Drain down right here. Yep. Okay, one hand. Okay, just drain out like that. Just easy. See that? How easy is that? Okay, my beef already drained out. Look at that. It's medium cook. Just throw in the big bowl right here. See that? Okay, time to put them together. First, I squeeze the lamb first. Alright, put the lamb in here. I put 2 lamb because I love sour. And they're gonna be taste so good, like sweet and sour. Not too sweet, just sour. And then taste. So I put 2 in here. This is the last one, 2 lamb. Alright, lamb's already in. Okay, this is ground fried rice right here. Ground fried rice. I'm gonna go ahead and put like 2 spoons. 2 spoon. Okay, 2 spoon right there. Just eyeball 2 spoon. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the Lao fish sauce right here. About 2 spoon, just the eyeball, 2 spoon, yep, right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put fish sauce right there. About 1 spoon, because you have to taste, okay? When you taste how you like it, and then of course a little sugar for balance, okay? Just a little bit. That's how you make lab. This is lab seed, beef lab. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix together. Together like that. Very easy, guys. Anybody can do it. Just if you follow me the way I do, you can do it. How you want to taste, salty, spicy, sweet, sour, whatever, up to you, okay? Now I'm gonna taste the juice. The key, you have to make like this first. Oh God, so good. I have to drop a little sugar. Just balance, okay? That's it. Just like that. Now you taste first. Taste good, then you put all the herb in here. Just like that, okay? Let me taste again. So good. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and drop. But you know what? I want more strong. This fish sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some more. I want stronger taste. There you go. Yep. Okay. Drop herb in here. Alright, everything tastes good. That's how you do it. You make a taste first and you taste. want salty, you want spicy, you want sour, a little sugar too. That's what you want now. This is, oh, I still have 2 lamb left. I can't believe it. I miss 2 lamb. I'm gonna go ahead put some more. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead add some more because I love lamb taste. Add some more. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, guys. And you mix again. Mix well. Mix it again one more time. Woo, so deep. So good. All right, this is last final season. Final red onion, like I say, everything on here. Just drop it down, just like that. Drop it. Now you're gonna mix well. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, this is so good. Look at this, guys. This is how you make lab. Okay, so easy. Anybody can do it. The key is just prep. You prep all your herbs, what you want to put in there. You don't have to have enough like me. You can put whatever you can, whatever you got in the house. You don't have to have everything, but I do, okay? But the key is the seasoning. The seasoning, how you make a taste. You know, the spicy, the salty, the sour, the sugar a little bit. That's the key how you make the taste. But when you got the herb, whatever you got, even just have spring onion and cilantro, you good to go, and hot pepper. Okay? Here you go. There you have it. It's done right here. It's done. Look at that. Here you have it. Lab scene. Okay, beef. You can say beef salad. Lab. L-A-O-R. L-A-O-R-B. Yes, lab. Okay, here you have it. So they go sit down and eat. You guys eat at home, cook at home. Healthy food and very cheap. Not a lot of money. So cheap, alright? This you can eat the 2-3 people right here. Okay. And I eat the steamed rice. I just cooked rice about half hours ago. Look at that, guys. Yep. I'm gonna eat with steamed rice. Look at that. Jasmine steamed rice. Perfect, right? Easy to cook. I forgot to show you how to cook jasmine steamed rice. So easy. Next time, okay? This time I forgot. Next time I show you. Look at that steamed rice. Healthy whole grain. This is original whole grain and no fat. Who tell you to eat rice you get fat? No, don't believe, because this is where I grew up with. When I open my eyes, we eat rice for survival and living. So the rice, whole grain rice right here is good. Don't believe nobody say don't eat rice, okay? The rice is so good. There you have it. Lab. L-R. What's how spelling, son? L-A-R-B. I'm sorry. Okay, this is lab right here. I serve with bell pepper because I love bell pepper, like vegetable. See that? That's the way you eat. It's so good, guys. It's gonna take you like less than half hour to cook. It's not that hard at all. Okay, go sit down and eat. Oh yeah, that's why I cook this food. Because that's how you happy hour at home. You see, guys, happy hour at home. Eat at home and healthy. Loud. I say steam jasmine rice. I didn't show you how to cook this one because I forgot. And next time, okay, I will show you how to cook tofu pork soup, junk pork. Alright? Okay, cheers. Hour. Cheers, guys. Okay.